to document this silly game.
Mm-hmm. This is definitely a silly game.
Pass.
Pass.
Tiger. Pass.
Close.
Your lead, Cloud Man.
Tiger, you're so funny. Hi.
Is it?
No, it's different Jack.
Wow, that was
Wait.
Bubba.
That was, yeah,
that's
the
true.
king was mine.
You had 5? Stop. We're gonna make the game into very short tonight. Very soon.
He'll just have to get off the
That's
table.
Trump, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's point, right? Because nothing else should be out there.
Yeah.
No!
Tiger.
Because 4 were played in the first game.
Oh wait.
Wait, whose turn is it?
Your turn.
Yes. No, it should be because you had the left. You should. You stop that.
They will do
Technically,
crazy for him.
it's your lead. You had the left.